Ready to unlock the power of AI with Kling? Let's get your account set up in a flash. First, head over to the Kling AI website. You can find the link conveniently placed in the description below. Once you are on the homepage, look for the Sign Up button usually located at the top right corner or in the center of the screen. Click it. You'll now be redirected to the registration page. Here, you'll need to fill in some basic information. Start by entering your full name in the designated field. Then, enter a valid email address that you have access to. This email will be used for verification and important updates. Next, create a strong and secure password. Make sure it's a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Many platforms require password confirmation for accuracy. Type password again in the Confirm Password input field. Make sure you have read through the terms and conditions and privacy policy before checking the box. Finally, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button to complete your registration. Now, check your email inbox for a verification email from Kling AI. It might take a few minutes to arrive, so be patient. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will activate your account and allow you to log in. And that's it. You've successfully created your Kling AI account. You can now log in and start exploring all the amazing features. Get ready to unleash your creativity with Kling AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.